Hello everyone, welcome to my channel for iOS application development training with the Swift programming. In this lesson, today we are going to learn about Swift operators. Operators are nothing but a mathematical symbol. We use operator for perform some action on the variables. Okay, operators are divided into three main categories. One is unary operator. These operators operate on a single target only. Okay, like it's a negative a not equal to b, something like that. Second is binary operators. Those operators we operate on two target. We need two inputs. Okay, like a plus b is equal to c. Then the third one is ternary operator. We operate on the three target. If a is true, then go with the b, otherwise c. Now there are some types of operators. Okay, I have tried to list out them with the example. We will understand them one by one. Okay, the first one is assignment operator, where we assign the value. Okay, let's say for example, if I write a equal to 5, that means I am assigning 5 to the a. Okay, similarly, next is arithmetic operator. Arithmetic is some functions like addition, subtraction, multiplication or divide. For example, if I say a plus b equal to c is using arithmetical operator, where I am adding a and b variable and storing the result into c. Okay, or else I can go like x divided by, and the result will be stored on z. Third one is remainder operator. We use percentage symbol for remainder. That means 9 divide remainder 4 is equal to 1, because when you divide 9 by 4, 1 will be a remainder here. Next is comparison operator, where we compare two variables. Like when I say a equals b, that means I am comparing these variables. So it will return the answer either true or false based on the value stored in the variable. Okay, now in comparison I can also do greater than, less than. Okay, a greater than b or b greater than a, like that. Next one is conditional operator, where I say if the condition is true, go with the this way, otherwise go other way. That means if a is true, print 5, otherwise go with the 2. This is conditional operator. Next is range. In the Swift we have a range operator. Okay, where I write 3 continuous dots. Okay, so here for example, if I write 1 dot 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 5, that means I will start a range from 1 to 5, because 1 is here lower bound and 5 is upper bound. Instead of 1 dot 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 5, if I write 1 dot dot less than 3, the range will change. That means it's a range should start from 1 and on less than 3, which is 2. So it will print 1 and 2. Okay, next is logical operator. In the logical we have a logical and an or, where like if I say if a and b both are true, then go with the true. The answer is true. Or in the or operator, any one of them, like if a is true or b is false, that means go with the true. Or if B is false, A is also false, then go for false. Any one of them is true, that means condition is true. Okay, in the AND operator, both the condition has to be true. Okay, now let's do some examples. So here in the Xcode, I have created a file named operator. So let's go with a new file, like file menu, new option and playground, and here select the iOS option with the blank file and go to the next, and you will give the name of file here, which is Swift operator. You can give or whatever you want. Okay, because I have already created to save the time, so here we will understand what is going on. Okay, the UIKit package is by default have import in the file because we use UIKit for these operations. Okay, now first is assignment operator. You can see I have created a variable name A and assigned a value B, created another variable name B and assigned a value 2. Okay, so this is assignment operator. Basically right to left, the value of right side is assigned to the left. Next is arithmetic. As I said earlier, if you put A plus B, it will add both the values and print the answers. We can see here, if you click on this right bottom for console, here scroll it up, and if you run the program, you will see the output sum of A and B is equal to 7. Okay, which is your line number here, 9. Same is going for subtraction and multiplication. Then the remainder I already explained. 9 modular 4 is nothing but a answer is 1 because the remainder will be 1. And for the comparison operator, if A equals B, if the condition is true, it will go true. Okay, same with the not. This is not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to. Okay, these are your comparison operator. Next is range operator, what we have talked just right now. If you want to print from the lower bound is 1 and upper bound is 4, so you will print the value from 1 to 4. Second is, if you put a condition like the upper bound is less than 4, that means 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and if you do not put the lower bound, it will assume and it will go up to the infinite, which is because you have upper bound, so it will go in this direction where you will print 2, 1, 0 and then negative till infinite. Next is logical operator. So here condition is A is greater than 2. If this condition is true, and which is nothing but a logical and then B is greater than equal to 6. If both the condition true, then answer will be true. If one of them false, the answer will be false. Okay, this is your logical and then same go with the or not is the reverse. Whatever you say, it will give the reverse value, the negative part. That means not equal to true is nothing but a false. Next is ternary operator. I was talking about this earlier, just right now. Okay, here I have defined a variable constant name is result, where I am checking the marks is greater than equal to 40. If the condition is true, then print pass, otherwise fail. Okay, so based on that you will get output here. See, you pass the exam because marks is greater than equal to 40 and we already have marks equal to 60 here. That means the condition is true, marks is greater than 40. That's what it will print pass. Okay, that's it. This is your operator.